Breaking news, the ECB is adding a pioneering unique feature to its Euro CBDC design. Not only will it function offline, but also underwater. The European Environmental Agency has reported that over 2 million Europeans are affected by river floods, and it costs 10 billion euros annually to deal with these river floods. This is the 13th unique feature of the CBDC that makes it really special and needed right now, adding to the 12 features that 𝐀𝐁𝐎F has just published. Stay tuned. We are heading to 17 features that the Euro CBDC design will have.